Hello everyone. Today's video is all about making you understand about what is the exact difference between a 3-axis rotary and 4-axis rotary. Because most people are confused about the rotary attachment that come with a CNC router machine. Most of the time people are misunderstand that rotary is only 3-axis. It can be also 4-axis. 3-axis rotary, what is the difference between a 3-axis rotary and 4-axis rotary? In 3-axis rotary, there is only 3 movements, that is 2 linear movements and 1 rotary movement, as compared to the 4-axis rotary work. You can see in 3-axis always the tool is sit in the center, and it will be moving up and down. The tool will be moving up and down, that is Z-axis, and the other movement is only in one axis only, whether it is in a x-axis or y-axis, depend upon the axis of the job. It will move along the axis of the job, rotary job attached. And so there is only 3 movements. One is rotary movement, that is the job is rotating to and fro or continuously in one single axis. And in other one, and other 2 axes are linear axis, that is the spindle is moving up and down and the spindle is moving along the axis. So the tool will be always in line with the center of the workpiece. Now we will look at the 4-axis. In 4-axis rotary, what happening is that one rotary movement and all other 3 linear axes are available, movements are available. That is the tool, the spindle head can move up and down, left and right, front and back, like that. I'm telling it's along a Z-axis, it can move along a X and Y axis, and also there is a rotary axis. So that the tool need not be always not restricted to this, to the line of the rotary axis. It can move away from the center of the axis, the center rotary job axis, so that it can take a totally different job. It can move and work, so that it is possible to do undercut jobs with the 4-axis rotary, which is not possible with the 3-axis rotary. Now you can see this job which is done using a 4-axis machine, that is 4-axis rotary. Here the 4th axis is a rotary axis. So it is possible only with this kind of arrangement only. So this is the difference, exact difference between the 3-axis and 4-axis rotary. See, if it is we are doing this job in 3-axis, you can see that the spindle can't reach to the bend position, bend area, and it cannot reach up to that area and can't work from all the sides. But it is possible to do the complex job with 4-axis. So the main difference between 3-axis and 4-axis rotary is that in 3-axis rotary, the spindle is always restricted to the axis of rotation, but in 4-axis it can move away from the axis of rotation and take undercuts. Thank you.